Hi, Tom here with Water's Choice. I want to talk to you about our 3-month startup kit. This kit has everything you need to run your spa for the first 3 months. It has the test strips for testing your water, has the pH up, pH down for adjusting your pH and alkalinity, has sanitizer, and most important, has our monthly bottle of enzymes. This kit has 3 of these bottles in it. That's all you need to start your spa. Now, when you're first starting up, you're going to test your water and adjust your pH and alkalinity as needed. You're going to add the full bottle of enzymes to the water, and then you're going to put sanitizer, 2 teaspoons of sanitizer in after every other use. Now this spa we did clean and drain on yesterday, and when we first filled it, we did a slight adjustment to the pH and alkalinity because it was just a hair off while it was cold. Then overnight we've let it warm up, and now we're going to do the full startup today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to test the water. And as you can see, our pH and our alkalinity appear to be high. We're going to dump in the enzymes. Now when we're adding the pH down, we want to turn the spa on so that we can get water movement and not have the crystals sit on the bottom of the spa. So to lower the pH, we're going to use just a little bit of spa down. And we'll come back and we'll test that again in a couple hours and just see where it is. And we'll adjust that up to 3 times a day until we get the pH right where we want it to be. pH and alkalinity. And that's it until we start using the spa. Have a great day.